Dear student, how multinationals company interlink productions across the country. You have seen that multinational corporations they invest their money in those countries where they cheap they found the uh, cheap factor of the productions. In general, multinational corporations set up the productions where it is proximity to the market. Proximity, it is close to the market. It is nearness to the market where they can find the skilled as well as the unskilled labor available at the low cost, and where the availability of the other factor of productions is assured. Multinational corporations establish their business in those countries where factor of productions they found at very low cost, where availability of the other factors of productions is assured. In addition, multinational corporations might look after the policy of the government that will look after their interest. In this chapter, we will study the policy and programs of the government later on. Having assured themselves of these conditions, when multinational corporations found that factor of productions are assured there, multinational corporations set up their business and offices for the production there. The money that is spent to buy assets such as the land, building, machine, and other equipment, it is known as the investment. It is known as investment. Investment made by the multinational corporation is known as the foreign investment. If multinational corporations is investing money in other countries, this is known as the foreign investment. This is the definition of the foreign investment. And the definition of the investment, you can see that the money that is spent on the assist to buy assist such as the lands, building machines and other equipment is known as the investment. To purchase the things of different types, mean to say, if a company multinational corporation is going to establish, first of all it will see the lands. After then this multinational corporation constructs the buildings. Machine will also be purchased from inside and outside the country, and other equipments is also purchased. This is known as the investment. Mean to say, investment means the expenditures those were spent to establish the industry. Investment made by the multinational corporation is known as the foreign investment. Any investment is made with this hope that these assets will earn profit. Everyone invest money so that it can earn profit. This is the funda that multinational corporation uh, also with this hope that whatever the investment made by them will earn profit.